Oh, lan. Ay, putang ina, barakuda, ang laki.
May flyer ako dito. May gancho ba?
Wala.
Walang gancho. Barakuda na, sandali lang. Magte-trending ka na.
Boss, I have a net. You need the net?
You have?
Yup.
Okay, take it.
Ay, tingnan mo! Mahuli ka dapat. I-join ko na lang. Malabo eh. Huwag naman. Hindi, tanguso naman eh. Dulo naman.
Sa dulo, hindi mo puputol.
Ayun, may left yan. Pogi.
Oy, sarap!
Boss, I have small nets, but I will help.
Oh my God.
Barakuda. It's not yet tired. Wala lang. Kaya umagos dito sa dulo. Pag na-flyer na sa bunga nga ito.
There.
Pwede na.
Oops.
Pwede na
Teka. Lumalapagod pa naman ba? Lumalaban pa.
Ah, wait. Maganda naman yung tama niya.
You need to make it higher, yeah?
Oh no! Don't come there!
Shut up. I got it, yeah. Oh, no.
Tama niya sa ano? Putang ina.
Alalayan mo ng flyer mo?
My net is doing nothing.
Ah, no.
Boss, just jump in and grab it.
Ako nga.
Yun.
Insane.
Yan.
Boss, do not drop the
Panalo.
No problem.
fish. No? You don't need to put
Let's
the
go
tail?
up, let's go.
Ano.
Taas mo na. Sige, akyat mo na. Duli mo na si Baba.
Sabi yung pangatlong bite eh.
Get those teeth away from me, man.
Aywa.
So heavy. Bro, my thing is bending. It's literally bending. Look at it, look.
No, it's okay.
Don't rush us. Be careful.
Yun. Go Strike. Carbon Tech 2000. Oo, lure. Hydra 8 pounds. Nalo.